so many animals. My animals are hungry. Can you help me feed my animals?
Yes.
Okay. Who's gonna go first? Oh, look what I have. It's a pig. Yes, a pig. What does a pig say? Oink, oink. Oink, says the pig. Can you say that with me? Ready? Oink, oink. The pig is so hungry. It's time for dinner. Let's eat the hay. The pig is eating. All done. All done. Oh, now Mr. Piggy is tired. He's ready for bed. Time to go to sleep. Let's put him in the barn. Ready? In the barn. Go to sleep. Hush, hush. Go to sleep, Mr. Piggy. Now, who is next? This is a horse. Good job. What does a horse say? Neigh. Good job. The horse says neigh. Can you say it with me? Neigh. Good job. My horse is hungry. It's time to eat. Eat some dinner. Ready? Oh, the horse is eating the hay. Yay! Good job, horse. Now, the horse is so tired. He's ready to go to sleep. Let's put him in the barn. Ready? Put him in the barn. Yay! Good job. Oh my goodness! What is this? It's a cow. What does a cow say? A cow says moo. Moo, says the cow. Can you say it with me? Say moo. Good job. My cow is hungry. It's time to eat. Ready? Eat the hay. The cow is eating the hay. Yummy. So good. Oh, my cow is all done. All done. I think he's tired. Where should we put the cow if he's tired? Let's put him in the barn so he can go to sleep. Ready? Let's put him in the barn. In the barn. Yay! Good job! The next animal is a sheep. We have a sheep. What does a sheep say? Bah. Bah, says the sheep. Say it with me. Bah. Good job. My sheep is hungry. Let's have the sheep eat some dinner. Ready? Eat the hay. Eat the hay. The sheep is eating the hay. So good. Yummy. My sheep is all done with dinner. Now my sheep is really tired and it's time to go to sleep. Let's put the sheep in the barn so it can go to sleep. Ready? Let's put the sheep in the barn. The sheep is in the barn. Our next animal is a chicken. What does a chicken say? Bok, 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 bok. That's a silly sound. What does a chicken say? Bok, 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 bok. Can you say it with me? Bok, 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 bok. Good job. My chicken is hungry. It wants to eat some dinner. Let's have it eat some hay. Let's have it eat some dinner. Ready? The chicken is eating the hay. Eat the hay. So good. Oh, now the chicken is all done. All done. It's time to go to sleep. Shh. Time for sleep. Let's put the chicken in the barn. Go in the barn so it can go to sleep. Our last animal is a goat. Yay! A goat. What does a goat say? Ma, ma, says the goat. Can you say that with me? Ma, says the goat. Good job. Now my goat is hungry. Let's have my goat eat some dinner. Ready? Eat the hay. The goat is eating the hay. So good. The goat is all done, all done. Now it's time for the goat to go to sleep. He's tired. He's ready for bed. Let's put the goat in the barn. Ready? Let's put him in. He is in the barn. Yay! How many animals are in the barn? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 animals.